Oh man, I've been out here busting my ass trying to get this intake manifold in. It sucks. I found out that I'm missing the part that goes from here to here. I left it with my old manifold. Very upset about that. Got the catch cannon, got the tubes, vacuum hoses ran. Shit was a bitch. Does not want to fit through here. Like, this doesn't want to turn. Had to tighten these. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see all this shit, but I still got a towel in the back there. I still got to connect a bunch of stuff, but boy, we're freaking close, guys. One of my lights died. It's like, I don't even know. I don't have my watch on, but as you can see, I'm sweating like crazy. Been out here sweating all day. It's about time to call it. Been working real hard. And I realized that my coolant tank is like falling apart right now, which I guess is pretty common. I know it's common, actually. I've seen people talk about it, but I didn't think mine was in bad shape, so that sucks. I'm gonna have to get that done. But this is the manifold, everybody. Check it out. All new components, non-corrosive, gold-colored screws, keeping it all together. I'm sweating, man. Sweating. I just torqued down all the manifold bolts. I'm not gonna lie, I just did it by feel. I did not use a torque wrench. I used one for the 10 Newton meters. So the process is 10 Newton meters, 90 degrees, 10 degrees. 90 degrees is easy. 10 degrees, pretty easy too. So I just did it by feel. But this is the new unit. What do you guys think? Looking good, pretty sweet. I'm not the best like videographer, filmer person, but I'm almost done. I'm super upset about this, that I'm missing this piece. God, I wish I did not leave that on the old one. It really sucks. I'll figure it out though. I'm gonna get a new part probably for it, because I don't think I can wait 6 days or something for the shit to come from New England, or England. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Process went well, not too bad. And I'm glad to be at this point right now. Super excited. And trying not to let the fact that I'm missing that piece kill my vibe right now. So thanks, guys. Keep you informed going forward. So I got the fuel rail back in now. It's looking really good. Took me a while to figure out how all this like was supposed to go back together. You gotta move this little vacuum line, you gotta pull it out of the T, move it, and then put the rail underneath of it, because you can see that it's over top of the rail, that vacuum line. Then this big vacuum line that goes in the back of the manifold. Here, let me try to zoom in on it. That one was super hard to get out when I took the manifold apart. Thank God there's a new connector, because I had to break it into like multiple pieces. But as you can see here, there's a lot of like scratches on the vacuum line. It's not cracked, luckily, but tons of scratches. The reason for that is because when you take the fuel rail out, it's really tight fit, so like it rubs up against that bigger fuel, or that bigger vacuum line, which isn't ideal. I don't really like that, but it is what it is. Rail is installed, all connectors are reconnected. These are the new vacuum lines, new connectors. I guess this connector is like impossible to find. I messed up and I didn't have the check valve. I left it on the old one, the one that connects from here to there. So that's literally the only reason I can't drive the car, which is like super upsetting. I ordered it though. I paid $15 for express shipping to get it by Friday. Today is Wednesday, so it should be here in 2 days. I'm debating on just replacing all of these like old vacuum lines. Like I might just try to find the parts for these because, oh, this one even has the part number on it. I probably should have bought a replacement for all this shit because I don't know, it's just old and brittle, you know? It needs to be swapped. I don't want it to break or anything. There's only a couple vacuum lines left. Like I should have did all these when I had the manifold off, to be honest with you guys. But I could always, yeah, I mean, I could always get them later and just do it. I think I could feed it through here and like snake it around. Not a big deal. This one goes from here to here, basically. And then this one goes to here, which some people's I see are backwards. Like this one connects to this one, and then this one connects to this one. So if you know why that is, let me know. It's kind of a unique question. I don't think there's going to be a lot of people that know the answer to that, but hey, you never know. So yeah, it's coming along. I'm literally at the last step now. Like catch cans installed. You guys can see that. These AN fittings are kind of a bitch, to be honest, but I ended up getting it pretty good. I think the Y pipe will clear it, so that's really what I was looking for. Runs back behind the dipstick, all the way down under the coolant tank, down into here. Just like that. I got a dipstick on it right here. I can take out and check the oil level. That's the fitment. You can see the fitment's pretty good in there. It's like clears this underneath the coolant tank. It's got room underneath to move. It's not rubbing on anything. And I actually made this bracket myself. I may pull it off and like paint it at some point. Just not right now because I don't really feel like it. I bought the thread tap, you guys. I bought the thread tap for the block when the screw was stuck. The bolt broke off in the manifold, not by me, but by somebody else. So I used the tap to tap the back of the bracket on the catch can. That way I didn't have to put a nut on the back side or anything. You can see it. Watch, I'll show you. Yeah, so I just screwed it directly through. Awesome like use of that tap kit. And then for this I couldn't do that. I just had this laying around, this bolt with this washer, and so what I ended up doing was I bought a riv nut kit. I thought I was going to be able to use a riv nut here. It's too small, I couldn't. So what I did is I crushed a riv nut and then I stuck it underneath almost as like a nut, right? Same as like if you had a regular nut. I could have did that, but I just ended up using the riv nut and then screwed this into it, held it with some needle nose pliers, and then torqued it down with a screwdriver. So she's sturdy, like she's not moving, but I might pull this out and paint it at some point just because it's the only thing. It's kind of weird color in here. It's not really noticeable, to be honest, but like, I don't know, might as well. But yeah, so here's the unit, and just waiting for that stupid vacuum hose now so that I can drive the car. But thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe, comment, ask questions, and appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.